students, class 9, example sum 3.42. Draw the graph for the following. So first Roman number is given as y is equal to 3x minus 1. Let's see the first Roman number. We have two different methods to solve this, either in a table form or in a direct method. Here I am using the first one as the table form. Either we can use in the table form or in the generally we can do it in a direct way. Let me take it as, it is in the table form, means x and y. X I take it as minus 1 to 1. That's enough, because the given equation is a linear equation. Surely we get a line. It represents a line only, right? So either we can take minus 5 2 plus 5, or minus 3 2 plus 3, or minus 2 2 plus 2, or minus 1 to 1. Here I am taking minus 1 to 1. So in the place of x, the given equation is y is equal to 3x minus 1. In the place of x, I am applying minus 1, means minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Then the value of y is equal to minus 4. And then in the place of x is equal to, I apply the value 0, 3x minus 1, y is equal to, in that place I apply the value 0, means the whole term becomes 0, then y is equal to minus 1. Next, in the place of x, I apply the value 1. 1 into 3 is 3, minus 1 is equal to 2. That is the y value. Now we have the ordered pair as minus 1 comma minus 4, and then 0 comma minus 1, and then 1 comma 2 is the ordered pair. Now we have to represent this in a graph sheet. Here I am taking the graph. To visible, I have written that pen. Don't use the pen in the graph sheet. So we have to use only the pencil, right? Here I am going to use the pen to easily visible. See, the first coordinate point is given. The ordered pair is minus 1 comma minus 4. The x-axis is minus 1 and y-axis minus 4, means the point will be lies here, right? This is the point of minus 1 comma minus 4. Right? Minus 1 x-axis and y-axis minus, but we know that this is a, which one is x and x dash, right? Here it is x dash, here we have y dash, and then here y. So the vertical line is a y-axis, the horizontal line is a x-axis. So minus 1 comma minus 4, and then second point is 0 comma minus 1. The x-axis 0, x-axis 0, y-axis minus 1, means the point lies here. That is 0 comma minus 1. If x-axis 0 means the point lies on the y-axis, we know that, right? And then the third point is 1 comma 2. X-axis is 1, y-axis is 2. So this is the point 1 comma 2. Now we have to draw a straight line. I already told you the given linear equation is a represented in a line only. So this straight line can be extended up to which level we need it, right? So these 3 points are intersected, the straight line. So the line of this equation is given as y is equal to 3x minus 1. That is the given equation. This line of equation is y is equal to 3x minus 1. Here we have the line also having the equation, right? So the linear equation in two variables having the represent a straight line. Next we see the second Roman number. See, the second Roman number is given as y is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 3. Either we can use the tabular form, or otherwise we have the another one when x equal to 0. In the place of x is equal to 0 means we get y is equal to 0 plus 3, right? In the place of x is equal to 0 means 0 into any number is totally 0. So y is equal to 3. Then the ordered pairs are first x-axis 0 and y-axis is 3. This is the one of the ordered pair. And then the same way when y is equal to 0, in the place y is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 3, this term becomes 0, means we get 0 is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 3. I take this 3 to another side, we get minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into x. We want to find only the x value. I take this term to another side, we get minus 3. Denominator turns to numerator, and numerator turns to denominator equal to x, right? 3 3s are 9, so x is equal to minus 9 divided by 2. If you reduce this, we get minus 4.5. So the x value is minus 4.5 and then y value is 0. So is the another ordered pair. So here we have two ordered pair. We can substitute in the graph. Here I am going to represent the given points in the graph. I use the same graph to represent the point. So one of the point is 0, 3. X-axis 0, y-axis 3 means the point is lies here. This is the point 0, 3, right? I use the same graph to represent. Here we have 0, 3 is the one of the point, and then another point is minus 4.5, 0. Here we have minus 4.5 means this is the point x-axis minus 4.5, and y-axis 0 means the point lies in the x-axis. This is the point of minus 4.5, 0. Now we have to draw the line for this 2 point. If you draw the line like this, the line should be extended which level we need it, right? So for this is the Roman number 2, this is the Roman number 1. For this line is y is equal to 3x minus 1. This is the Roman number 2. For this, the equation of the line is equal to y is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 3 is the equation of this line. So the first equation has y is equal to 3x minus 1. It represents a straight line, and second equation also it represents a straight line. So this is the second Roman number. I solved the two equations in the same graph. If you are willing to do it in separate means, you just do it in a separate graph note papers, right? Thank you, students. And already I told you, don't use the pens in the graph, right? In graph sheet only you have to use the pencil, right? Here I am doing to show this, right? It will be very clearly we can see. That's why I am using pen. Thank you, students.